In this video, I will show you how to manage group call participants in WhatsApp. So for that, first of all open up WhatsApp, then go to the group chat where you want to call. Click on this call link in the top right corner. Then click on that arrow. Click on send call link. Here you will have to turn this require approval to join toggle on. Now you can select whether you want to do a video call or a voice call. Then click on send link to group. Now once your link is sent to the group, what you'll have to do is simply click on join call. Now from here simply join the call. After that, when anybody tries to join the call, you will get a certain message. For example, here you can see requested to join. Now you as an admin or you as the person who started this call, you can either admit the person or reject the person. Simply click on tick if you want to admit it. And if you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.